How to delete YouTube channel on mobile. Open the YouTube app. Click on Profile at the top right corner of your screen. Click on your channel. Now click at three dots on the page. Click Help and Feedback. Click on Delete or Hide your YouTube channel. Select Delete your channel permanently. Scroll down. Click on YouTube Studio. It will open a new browser. Click on Settings at the corner of page. Click on Channel. Go to Advanced Settings. Scroll down. Click on Manage YouTube Account. On the next page, you will see options. Click on View Advanced Settings. Select Delete Channel. Read the guidelines and select Continue. Confirm through fingerprint. Select the option, I want to permanently delete my content. Go with the checkouts. Select Delete my content. Enter your email address to confirm it's really you. Delete my content. It will be deleted by YouTube within an hour or may take several days to delete your content. That's all from today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.